Hello, I'm Benjamin John Pope, and this is a UG blog talking about my company Ultragene Productions. What we're going to talk about today is how to merge colours together with numbers and letters to define a certain shade of colour. And then, as you see here on the media development section, all you can see is the bevel, so it looks like it's slightly 3D out of the colour sequence. So what I want to show you is that this colour here, with using what should you call it, syntax, or I think it's a hexadecimal value, is this colour here. But this is the exact icon which is here, which I'm hopefully going to do a forum or a dynamic question FAQ animated support. Anyway, that colour is defined in the colour tab. If you select the box, select that rectangle with the rounded corners, go to colour, and the colour is hashtag 009999. Now every colour has a different, like this green here that is changed to, we'll go to white to make it simple. So white, I think, is all F, and there it is, 6 Fs, and that's the same throughout all applications of design and HTML, etc, etc. So what I'm going to do is show you quickly how to make a really simple icon. So this icon is developed already. To make the matching icon in Adobe Animate, you right click, left click on my mouse for whatever side brings up the options, duplicate symbol, and we're going to call it mini logo change view, because this is a blog about how I'm going to change my view, but at the same time I thought I'd give a little talk and a little bit of a demonstration about how to just quickly change an icon really quickly, so you have the same ratio throughout the whole icon, because all this icon's going to be is 6 dots, something really simple. And if you've done any of my animate tutorials, you will know what I just did. I copied and pasted the symbol, which is a movie clip, within itself. So I press Ctrl C, Ctrl Shift V. I'm now going to resize these ones. And I did that with the free transform tool, which is Q on your keyboard, or if you go to your tools, which I have on the left hand side of my screen, it's this arrow in the box. So to make it quick and easy, I'm going to grab all three balls or circles, press Control copy, Control Shift V, bring it down like that. And now I'm going to file save as, and save it as mini icon 9. No, mini icon 11, change view button. Right, what I did then was I opened an animate Flash, previous Flash version, ActionScript 2.0, but because it was just graphic, I was happy changing it to 3.0. But now we're going to export. Just let the program catch up with itself. Could be waiting a minute. And we're going to export image. And somehow wait again, which isn't good. Any time now would be really nice and efficient, but it seems like, here we go, it's set to PNG. I'm going to hit save. I'm going to save it in icons and logos. I'm going to save it in images. Let me just find the file. I'm just going to save it in, I'll just save it in here. Save in icons and files, why not? Now I'm going to shut that down. And my website should appear now. And I'm going to put that icon I just made at the end, no, at the start, I think. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open Dreamweaver. Now, in any of my tutorials, this is the first time you get to see Dreamweaver in actual action. There's hopefully going to be Dreamweaver tutorials. All I'm going to do now is just add an image to every page of my website, save it all, upload to my server, show you how fast the server updates, show you how quick and easy it is to use Adobe Animate and Adobe Dreamweaver all in one as two applications that work seamlessly or simultaneously within each other. So Dreamweaver is just loading up now. And this is the Adobe Dreamweaver intro design. What it loads up and initiates or starts initializing the files. Because my website's the last thing I worked on, it should all reopen. I've got all of the main pages already open. To my right hand side there is my local files. There is 3 folders and the main attributes of the HTML pages, well, the HTML pages in the local file section. I'm now going to go straight to the start, which is music actually. And I'm going to insert image. So go to insert, choose image. I stored it in documents, animate files, and I'm looking for my animate files, and it seems like I can't see it at the moment. Adobe animate files. I stored it in icons, didn't I? No. I stored it in here. Icons. Insert. Okay. Now this is asking you if you want to place it anywhere within your website. And I'm going to place it in the image folder. And there we go. Perfect. Let's copy that. Control copy. Save it first. Save. Shop. Change view. File. Save. Contact. Change view. File. Save. Art. Change view. File. Save. Video. Change view. File, save, quote, change view, file, save, FAQ. What I'm doing is I'm pasting it. I've copied and pasted the icon. So all I did is press Control C on the icon and then Control V in the other documents, and that was how fast you can change something within the client side. Basically change your HTML. I'm now going to upload it to my server, upload the entire site. That's done. Shut down Dreamweaver. Open my website. This is online. Refresh. And there it is. The change view. Now I have to design the other view that's going to be added. But that was a quick, simple tutorial. I'm going to code it, so if you press this button here with the 6 circles, it should go into a thumbnail view of that specific page. Thank you for listening.